A little more than 18,000 of you want to know how to delete a YouTube video. So today, I'm going to show you how in this video. Keep watching. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandy with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. Super quick, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the small business marketing videos that we put out every single week. All right, so let me start by screen sharing how to delete a video from desktop. Log into your channel, head to your YouTube studio, and click Content on the left sidebar. Then select the box next to the video that you want to delete. Click More Actions, then click Delete Forever. You'll then see this pop-up box where you need to check that you understand deleting is permanent and cannot be undone, and then click Delete Forever. If you want to bulk delete several videos all at once, just check all of the boxes next to the videos you want to delete and then follow the same steps. Now, another way to delete single videos at a time that's a little quicker is to simply hover your mouse over the video until the three dots appear, click those and click Delete Forever and follow the same steps from there. Now, let's look at how to delete a YouTube video from mobile. Open your regular YouTube app, signed in under your channel, tap Library, tap your videos, then tap the three dots next to the video that you want to delete and tap Delete. It will ask you if you want to delete this video, and if you're sure, click Delete. Now, before you head off to delete some YouTube videos, I have a word of caution for you. But first, here's a quick message from one of our co-founders, Sherman.
Hey, we just helped a small business make over $1.5 million through Facebook advertising. And after managing millions of dollars in ad spend for thousands of different small businesses, we have decided to give away everything we learned to you in a special program. If you want to learn the blueprint to success, the best practices from some of the fastest growing companies in the world, and all of the different tools you will need, then sign up for our social ads training program today.
All right, so before you go deleting any YouTube videos, here are some things that you need to know. Any engagement or views you have on a video will be lost if you delete it, meaning you're losing the precious SEO value on that video if you delete it. And if you look in your YouTube analytics later, specifically your watch time, that data will be lost. And because YouTube is a search engine, SEO is just as important for your videos as it is with your website on Google. Your YouTube channel getting found and acquiring organic traffic is dependent on YouTube SEO. So I would strongly suggest that you really think about why you're deleting a video before deleting it. If it's something subjective, such as you just being embarrassed of your old videos or something like that, I would advise against deleting it because every view and comment you get helps. So comment below and let me know why you're thinking about deleting a video. There may be a workaround or a fix that doesn't involve deleting it. So leave a comment and I'll get back to you there. Otherwise, that wraps up today's video. Super quick one today. So please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell before you go. And I will see you in the next episode.